Let's do a couple more songs that we can do C, F, and G7. They also work in some other keys as well, but let's try them with these chords. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Happy birthday to you.